How do you write a novel with ChatGPT? Well, I'm about to tell you. I'm actually going to walk you through my personal 13 steps to write a complete novel with ChatGPT. And we're going to go through it completely here in this video, so make sure you watch all the way to the end. Let's start with step number one. If you're writing a novel, you probably already know your genre, but step one is to figure out either your genre or your genre and subgenre, and you can simply ask ChatGPT for some ideas. So if you're writing a thriller novel, you might say, hey, I want to write a thriller novel. Please give me a list of subgenres that I could write about. And ChatGPT might come back and say you can write about psychological thrillers, legal thrillers, or spy thrillers. So let's go to ChatGPT and use an example prompt of a romance novel and ask, what are some popular subgenres, some popular tropes that we could write about? Here we are into ChatGPT. You can do this same process with different AI writers, but we're going to use this one. So I went ahead and copied and pasted the prompt in, and now ChatGPT is giving me some ideas that I could write contemporary romance, historical romance, paranormal romance, romantic suspense, fantasy romance, and also listing some tropes that I might want to add into my story. So we're just going to go right now with historical romance. We're going to copy that and move to step two. Step two is to ask ChatGPT to come up with a story premise. Now, this is the nuts and bolt or the nugget of your whole story. And you can, again, ask ChatGPT, hey, can you help me come up with the idea for a legal thriller, or in our case, an historical romance? Or you can be more specific, which is what I recommend. And you can say, hey, ChatGPT, can you give me a premise that includes a title, a protagonist, an antagonist, internal, external conflict, one main goal, a setting, sort of a crucible for the story, a ticking clock, a deadline, emotional story consequences, physical story consequences, all of the above. The more specific and the better your input, the better your output. So what we're going to do is say, I want to write a historical romance novel. Can you give me a premise set during World War II? And I actually already did this. Let's look at it now. We're back in ChatGPT, and the premise, actually ChatGPT ended up giving me several premises. So I went with this one, which really spoke to me. But the novel premise is a young Jewish woman living in Nazi occupied Europe must go into hiding to avoid being sent to a concentration camp. She meets a resistance fighter who is part of a secret sort of underground network helping Jews escape the country. As they work together to smuggle other Jews out of danger, they develop feelings for each other, but their relationship is complicated by the dangers of their work and the constant threat of discovery. I think that sounds like an amazing story. I would like to read that story. I want to watch that movie. The next step, step number three, you might have noticed, is to ask ChatGPT to expand that premise into a back cover blurb. That might sound a little strange, but the back cover blurb is going to be a larger, more fleshed out summary of your story. So you can simply say, hey, can you write a back cover blurb for my novel? So that's what we're going to do, and that's what I already did. Let's look at the results. This is what ChatGPT gave me. ChatGPT said, in Nazi-occupied Europe, a young Jewish woman named Leah, so now we have a name, is forced to flee her home and go into hiding to avoid being sent to a concentration camp. While in hiding, she meets David, another name, a resistance fighter who is part of a secret network that helps Jews escape the country. As Leah and David work together to smuggle other Jews out of danger, they find themselves drawn to each other despite the constant danger that surrounds them, because this is a romance. And the relationship is tested, and it's set against the backdrop of one of the most important and controversial periods in human history. This is a stirring historical romance. So great job, ChatGPT. Step number four is to ask ChatGPT to create an outline from that back cover blurb, but also keep in mind the premise. So you're starting to see how it all comes together. And you can simply ask, hey, can you help me create an outline for my novel based on the premise and back cover blurb that we just created? I thought I'd go ahead and show you this live. What I've done is pasted in the premise and the back cover blurb as sort of reference material for ChatGPT. And now I'm going to add a prompt. You don't need the asterisk. That's just something I do for myself. I'm asking ChatGPT to, can you help me create an outline for my historical romance novel? based on the premise and back cover blurb. And look at this, we're getting all kinds of chapters with little bullet points, which could be the major scenes or sequences of scenes in each one of these chapters. We have a total of 9 chapters. You could say, hey, ChatGPT, give me another 10 chapters or expand this into a 20 chapter story. But for our purposes, I'm going to leave it like this. Now, step number 5 is to develop a style prompt for the novel. This is just the kind of style that you want ChatGPT to use when writing your novel. You could say, I want to write a thriller novel. Please write in a fast-paced style, short, punchy sentences, focus on building suspense and tension. Use vivid descriptions to create a sense of urgency. You could also just ask ChatGPT for ideas for different kinds of styles that you could use. Or you could give ChatGPT a style. For example, you could say, I'd like you to write in the style of Stephen King or Nora Roberts or Daniel Steele. Could copy all of this and paste it up here into the instructions so you save some space. But I'm just going to do it this way to save some time. So I just said, hey, when I ask you to write this novel in a few seconds, please write in the style of Daniel Still. Say yes if you understand. Yes, I understand. Next logical step, step number 6, is to ask ChatGPT to write the intro to the novel. You can just say, hey, I'd like you to write the intro based on the outline, the premise, and the back cover blurb, which is what I'm going to do in just a moment. You can see I said, please write the introduction to this novel based on the outline, premise, back cover blurb, and writing style, brief, pasted above. And I added, please write the first scene introducing Leah in the setting. So let's see what ChatGPT gives us. Already, I'm liking it. It's saying Leah sat huddled in the cramped attic, her heart racing at the sound of boots echoed through the house below. The walls felt as if they were closing around her. So we're getting an active scene opening, which is a great opening, I think, to a novel with some action. And we're also, I think, going to meet David. And so first page, first chapter, we're getting these characters together. Step number 7, you just rinse and repeat. You ask ChatGPT to continue the novel scene by scene. The prompt that I'm going to use is right down here. Please write the next chapter or the next scene in chapter 1. Make sure the action and dialogue flow from all prior scenes. Mention the outline and that this scene moves the overall plot in the book blurb forward. Always keep the premise in mind when writing each scene. Of course, sometimes ChatGPT will go off on a tangent and a rabbit trail. So, step number 8 is redirect ChatGPT or whatever AI writer you're using to go in the direction that you want, which would be back to the premise, back to the outline, back to the book blurb. Probably give it a little bit more guidance, but just give a prompt like, please rewrite this scene by expanding the physical fight into several paragraphs where the two characters go back and forth, each one gaining ground and then losing it. The outcome of the fight should be uncertain until the very end. So that's a very specific way to rewrite. You could simply say, please rewrite the scene with more action and dialogue. You don't have to take the first type of content that ChatGPT generates for you. You can regenerate an unlimited amount of times so until you get what you want, until you're really happy with the scene, with the dialogue, with the characterization, everything. You can even ask, please give me another version that focuses more on romantic tension between the two main characters. So keep going until you get what you want. Step number 10 would be to reuse the same prompt space with some scene direction changes. Now, this probably deserves a little bit more time and a little bit of a demonstration. What I've noticed is the longer the conversation or chat, the more ChatGPT will start giving you things that you don't really want. It seems as though you want to keep the current information that you want ChatGPT to generate as close to these instructions and outline as possible. What I might do is create 1 or 2 or 3 scenes, and then instead of continuing to go down the page here, I would go back up the page and I would edit this section to say, hey, can you write the next scene based on what's just happened and then fill in those details? Or say, hey, can you go up to chapter 2 and write the first scene in that, but it's basically to reuse this same prompt space here so that you conserve space. Of course, you want to copy and paste the content and scenes you've already created, paste it somewhere else like Microsoft Word or a Google document so that you have it, but this is going to give you better results if you do it this way. You want to keep a running summary of major actions and info. So you have your outline, but the different scenes that ChatGPT creates for you are going to give you even more information about the characters and some plot details that aren't in the outline itself. You can add that information into the outline. You can add that information in bullet points, concise bullet points into the instructions, but make sure you keep a running summary. That's going to help you avoid plot holes or inconsistencies. Once you've reached step number 12, you've really completed at least the first draft of your novel, and you want to review it. You want to review it for consistency and actions, thoughts, and dialogue with the characters. We've reached the final step, step 13, and that is get ChatGPT to edit, improve one scene at a time. What you can do is take a scene, copy and paste it into ChatGPT, and ask ChatGPT to identify any errors, punctuation, and necessary corrections. You can use a prompt like, take on the role of a professional book and story editor. What are the strengths and weaknesses of this scene? Are the characters inconsistent or consistent? What changes would you recommend in terms of language and structure? The scene that we just wrote, which would be this scene here, I gave ChatGPT this prompt and asked it for feedback, and it gave us good feedback. It's given us some strengths. It says the weaknesses, the dialogue, the scene could benefit from more sensory details, pacing could be improved, particularly toward the end. Great. We could say, okay, ChatGPT, please rewrite the scene with this information. And you can go through each scene of your novel this way. You can even ask ChatGPT to create transition scenes between chapters or add in new things or maybe even take something out. But you can use ChatGPT as a great book editor. I wrote a whole article with over, I think, 350 something prompts specifically for novelists to cover all the major elements of a novel. And also, I included sections for specific prompts for ChatGPT for mystery novelists, for romance writers writing a novel, for fantasy writers, for YA novels, for picture books, stories. So there's so many prompts in there. There'll be a link in the description to that article, also to the article where I walk you through these 13 steps. There's also going to be some other links in the description of different resources I like to ChatGPT, like to Jasper AI. You can use both of those. Also, there's a book link in the description to my query letter swipe file, which has hundreds of templates, sentence templates, word templates, whole query letter templates. That's going to help you write a query letter for traditional publishing, but it's also can help you write a book blurb. And what I found is these templates combined with AI create some magic. So check that out if that's something you're interested in. If you appreciated this video, I would appreciate a like and a subscribe. Let me know your thoughts and feelings in the comments. There's going to be another video that comes up in just a moment that I think you'll really like. Check that one out, and I'll see you in the next video.